Hello students, and here is how to create a map using Google Maps. Now up here in the top, you would just need to type in Google Maps, google.com/maps. You open that up, and as long as you're logged in, it will probably recognize your where you are, so that's why this is showing you kind of where I am. And this is my neighborhood. So now that we're here, this is how I want to find the right highlight. Okay. So this is how you'll start your map. So you're in you're in Google Maps. You go up to the three lines here. Okay. And you'll click on those three lines and it will open up. I'll try that again so you can really see it. You'll click on those three lines and it will open up this window here. You want to go to this section right here that says Your Places. Okay, you're going to click on that and open it up. Now, once you're here, you're going to click on Maps. Now, I have a lot of maps in here, but that's not what you want because yours is going to be empty. There won't be any maps. You haven't really created any. So then down here at the bottom, it says Create a Map. Okay, and you click that. Create Map. And it's going to take you to another window where you can then actually create your own map with many different points on it. The first thing I want to do is title your map. So click on Untitled Map. I'll show you again. Click on Untitled Map. Let me show you again. Click on Untitled Map. Then you want to name it. Put your name in there. So I'll put Agent Wise Road Trip. And then the description, I'm going to put Mission number 3. And save. Now you can see that right here I have titled map. Okay, so now the next thing you want to do is just ignore this add layer. You only want to have one layer and you don't need to import anything. We're just literally going to use only this layer and start adding points. But I'd like to name the layer, so I'm going to click on it. I'm going to name that Points of Interest. All right, so now how do I add a point to this map is the question, right? So I'm going to just drag around here. Now I'm starting in Los Angeles down here, so I might just add that point in there by typing in this box up here, right? To find a point, I would click inside the box and let's type in Los Angeles. Oop, it popped up for me, so I'm just going to click it. And it's going to zoom in and show me the Los Angeles. And that's my starting point. So I'll need 5 points after this in different states. But this is just simply how do you add a point? I'm going to click Add to Map. So right here, you need to click Add to Map. If you don't do that, it won't save it. And then I can go ahead and close the X there. No, it won't erase that. Okay. So now as you can see right here, it has the place, Los Angeles. But I need to go to a couple different states. So I'm going to choose, maybe I want to go to Las Vegas, Nevada. There it is. And I click on it. And it's going to drop a point there. I have to click Add to Map. so that it adds that point to the map. Now you could do all sorts of things to this. You can edit it, you can add information, you can click the photo and you can add pictures. Maybe you actually visited there and you wanted to add a picture of yourself. Any of these things. You could change the color and you can also change the icon. So maybe that's a place where, you want to do some hiking. So you put a little hiker in there. Or you could just leave it the same way. Okay. We'll click that off. So now if I want to really see my map and all my little points so far, I want to click the negative on the bottom right. Or I think I can just pinch to zoom in, right? And look, I have 2 points, one in California, one in Nevada. Now you need to go all the way across the United States. So you can go up and over. You can kind of go here, 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 here. But as long as you go from the Pacific Ocean to the Atlantic Ocean and you stay above the border of Mexico and pretty much below the border of Canada, except, of course, for if you go to Alaska, which is up here. Right? There's Alaska. Hopefully that was helpful. I don't need you to connect the lines yet. We can work on that later. But this is basically how you create a road trip. Thank you. Have a good day.